Take a deep breath in and a gentle breath out. Let yourself arrive here in this quiet space. Just you and this moment. Your true self is what matters most. You are already whole and more precious than anything this world could promise or demand. You don't have to do anything special to be worthy. You don't have to prove or earn anything. There is no one higher, no voice greater than the quiet truth within you. That is the compass that matters. Even when you don't feel it, even when the day is heavy, let yourself feel held, seen, and loved, and let it be from your true self, your infinite self. Rest here in the quiet, in the truth of who you are. Bring this feeling with you. Hold it inside you as you move through the day or into a peaceful night. Let your love for yourself be the voice that guides you before anything else. Stay with that feeling and let that be enough.